Shalom, little lights. I'm Adina, and this is Little Lights, stories to remind us of Yahuwah's love and the beauty of gratitude. The sky had been gray for days. No sunshine, no warm breeze, just the steady rhythm of raindrops tapping on the windows. Sky sat by the window with her chin in her hands, sighing. "I miss the light," she whispered. "Everything's soggy and dull. Even the lanterns won't stay lit." Her mother smiled gently. "Sometimes, little one, the light isn't gone. It's just hiding so you can notice something new." Sky frowned. "Something new? Like what? Mud puddles?" Her mother laughed softly. "Maybe. Or maybe the sound of the rain itself. Have you listened?" Sky tilted her head. Drip, drop, drip, drop. It sounded like a quiet song. She pressed her ear closer to the window and began to hum along. Later that evening, she peeked outside. The lanterns they'd hung last week were still there, dripping with water. One tiny light flickered weakly through the rain. Sky ran to it and shielded the flame with her hand. "Don't go out," she whispered. "You're doing so good." And just like that, something warm filled her heart. A glow brighter than the lantern itself. It wasn't the kind of light she could see. It was the kind she could feel. She realized maybe the light was never gone. Maybe it was inside her all along. She turned her face to the sky. "Thank you, Yahuwah," she said softly, "even for the rain." As she spoke, the clouds began to part, and a soft beam of sunlight peeked through, landing right where she stood. Her mother called from the porch, smiling. "See, Sky, sometimes Yahuwah lets it rain, just so you remember how to shine." Let's end with today's verse. "Weeping may endure for a night, but joy comes in the morning." Psalm 30, verse 5. Thank you, Yahuwah, for every storm that teaches me to shine brighter. Even when it rains, your light is still with me. In Yahushua's name, hallelujah. Until next time, keep shining, little lights.